Hello everyone, I'm Kajal and today we are going to discuss your next unit, and today we are going to discuss your ninth unit, and the name of the unit is criticism, constructive or destructive. What do you mean by criticism? Firstly, criticism, according to the Oxford Dictionary, they have given a good definition of it. Criticism is a sincere judgment, means whenever we are judging a person, we are making or forming a judgment about someone, or we are making a thinking about someone, that is known as a criticism. As well as criticism is of two types, positive or negative one, means we are making a thinking about someone in a positive way or in a negative way. So that is dependent on our thinking, and that is we are going to criticize that person or we are going to praise that person, that is depending on that. So when we are criticizing the other, when we are finding the faults of the other, that is known as a criticize or criticism for the other person. So this about this we are going to talk today in this video. So criticism is of two types, as I told you, positive or negative criticism. So it is depending on you that whether you are going to take that thinking or that words or comments of someone in a positive way or in a negative way. So that is depending on that. So when you are taking that words of someone in a positive way, that is known as a constructive criticism, and when you are taking that words in a negative way, that is known as a negative criticism. So criticism, that is depending on our thinking only. When someone will tell us something, then if we are taking that thing in a positive manner, and afterward in next time if we are improving ourselves, or we will show that person that we have improved, that means we have taken his or her criticism in a positive way, or that will be a positive criticism. Here I had shown you two photos. In one, a person is telling to the other one that do you think that I will take the criticism in a positive way, means the constructive way. So it is dependent on us that whether we are going to take it in a positive way or in a negative way. I will tell you, or I want to explain this thing with the example of nature. You know, the weather is also changing its color day by day. One day is sunny, other day will be maybe the cloudy, maybe the windy. So cloud or the weather is changing day by day. By that way also we are facing different kind of problems in our day-to-day life. One day we will be happy, other day maybe our day is not there, or we will get some comments, negative comments from the other one. So it is not good to take these comments in a negative way. Take it in a positive way, construct yourself and prove yourself, as well as that things if you will take in a positive way, that will be good for you. Here is one quotation. Abraham Lincoln, he told that he believed that only those who are ready to help others have right to criticize others. Means if we are ready to help the other, we are finding the faults of the other, no doubt easily we are able to find the faults of the others. Then if we are ready to help him to improve his or her faults, then only we have need to criticize that person. Neither we have no right to criticize that person. Next, as I told you, the criticism is of two types, positive or negative. When we are taking it in a positive way, then it is known as the constructive criticism, means the criticism that build us or that grow us to a better way, that is known as a constructive criticism. Here is one quotation. Never assume that every critic is a hater. Not everyone is hating on you. Some people are just telling you the truth. That means your best friends as well as your nearer ones are mostly criticizing you. But have you thought that they are by their words, they are not telling you your negative things, they want to improve you. That means they are not your haters, they love you, that's why they are telling you your faults, and they want to improve you, that's why they are telling your faults. So the quotation is, every criticizer is not a hater. That are, you are not haters, that are only want to improve you, that's why they are telling your negative points and want to improve yourself. Next, one more quotation is there. There is only one way to avoid criticism. Do nothing, say nothing, and be nothing. That means if you want to, if you are not ready to take that things in a positive way, suppose that someone poke you or someone given you a negative comment and you are not in the mind state to take that comment in a positive way, then there is no need to take that comment in a negative way. Just leave it out and think in a positive manner. Calm yourself, and there is no need to think about that thing. Leave it, just listen it from one ear and throw it from the other one. That is the best way to leave the criticism that you don't want to take, and there is no need to belittle you or think that I am lower than the others. So take it in a positive way, be positive in your life. So that was the content. In this one we have discussed that the criticism is a way by which we are able to take ourselves in a positive manner or in a negative manner too. It is depending on us. So I want to complete this topic with one quotation more. Taking constructive criticism from others is required to get to the next level. That means if the others will not give them or tell us our faults, then definitely we will not able to improve ourselves, because we will not able to get that which are our shortcomings and where we are wrong. So by that way, just listen to the others too and finding our faults and try to improve that faults. That is our chapter, and by this chapter we only want to make you understand that if somebody is criticizing you, don't take it in a negative way, take it in a positive way, take it in a constructive criticism way, so that you will be able to improve yourself. This was the topic. Hope you understood. Thank you very much.